The automotive industry is growing fast. $12 billion plus was spent last year on advertisement. The opportunity is now, and we need to hire more agents that we provide easy training, great pay, and weekly support. We require all representatives to call car dealerships. Show them our company's technology that will help them sell more vehicles. This is a very fulfilling career because it gives you the opportunity to grow at your own pace from wherever you're at. AI is here, and job cuts are happening daily. Protect your way of living before it's too late. Can you learn a 20-second sales pitch that will financially change your life for as long as the dealership stays in business? If these people can wake up early and come to work weekly because they see and believe in this opportunity, then why can't you? Carflingo is an automotive technology firm that believes one technology, one dealership equals one successful relationship. We provide the capabilities to list every vehicle and upload it online for millions of people searching. Our mission is to help boost dealership vehicle sales, that if you feel that this is something that you can do, and you're up for the challenge, take a minute and learn this 20-second sales pitch and contact us.
Let's get started on what you're going to be saying when you first make contact with the decision maker at the dealership. Hi, can I speak to the owner, please? Hi, sir or ma'am, my name is Ashley with Carflingo. How are you doing today? Great. The reason why I'm calling is that we only advertise and market cars for independent dealerships nationwide, and I wanted to see if you would let us help market your car to millions of people searching for a car. It's pretty much that simple. The dealership can either say yes or no. The majority of time they will say yes because they want to know how much does it cost. Now it's your time to close them by going over our different packages. If you can learn this simple pitch, then you're ready to start making money with Carflingo. Let's go.
Whoa! When you're looking for a car. Dang! Whoa! Whoa! That's a nice car!
That's it. That's the car I want.
That's the car.
How did you do that?
Carflingo. Just go to the website or download the app.
Why do dealerships need Carflingo? There are two types of dealerships. There's franchise dealerships like Nissan, Chevrolet, Honda, Ford. These dealerships have huge inventories and can advertise all year round on all of the markets. And independent dealers are smaller. They have a variety of used vehicles, usually around 1 to 50. The difference is that independent dealers can't compete with the franchise dealerships when it comes to market because they don't have the same budget to continue to bring in new customers yearly. This cycle is causing independent dealerships to go out of business. Carflingo was created to help these dealerships advertise all year long at affordable prices so they can continue to help their business grow. Our prices gives the company a chance to compete in the field and earn their trust. If you feel this is something that fits your life, then contact us today to get your career started. We can't wait to hear from you. You know you got this right. Just be yourself. Don't overthink this. Just understand what you have to talk about, which is the website, so you don't seem like you don't know what you're talking about. Remember, you're calling to help them sell more vehicles. They need your help. Mostly every dealership has loans out on those vehicles, and they're being charged a fee every day those cars sit on their lot. So you have to understand that dealerships needs our services. They have to sell those cars as fast as possible. So listing them on Carflingo website is very important to the dealership growth. Remember, the dealership just wants to know how much it costs. And the reason why is they want to see if it fits into how they operate every month. This is the best part of the conversation when you get this far with the dealership, because now you get to explain what makes Carflingo different and how we can help them continue to grow. Now remember, you already know key things going into the conversation about the dealership. First, they have a loan out on most all those vehicles. Second, they're getting fees per vehicle that is on their lot daily. Third, they use similar services. Now, knowing all these things, you can see why dealerships need Carflingo. It's simple. The similar services they are already using are in direct competition with franchise dealerships. Think about it. They're both chasing the same customer. Who do you think wins in that situation? The franchise dealerships will always win. The difference between Carflingo and the competition is that we only advertise for independent dealers only. We lower the competition, so customers searching for a car can find the independent dealership vehicles first when they are searching on our platform. Dealerships in the advertising space can see price ranges from $99 to $3,000 per month, which is crazy to think an independent dealership can afford this all year like a franchise. It's impossible they have no other options but to slowly go out of business. But now, when they need an affordable advertising company, they can always rely on Carflingo because we only charge one time per year, and every independent dealership can afford it. You see, it's very simple. Carflingo wins for the independent dealerships, and when you explain the pricing on the website, they have no choice but to sign up. This is something you can do and make good money. Remember, if these people can get up every morning and make money on the phone, then why can't you? Learn the website, understand why they need us, and make the calls. It's so simple. But it all starts with you. It's just 5 hours per day. Contact us today.